The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Pulaski County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, western Fulton County, Kentucky, Mississippi County, Missouri, Scott County, Missouri, New Madrid County, Missouri, eastern Butler County, Missouri, Stoddard County, Missouri, until 7:45 a.m. At 6:59 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dudley to Piggott, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sykeston, Dexter, Charleston, Scott City, Portageville, East Prairie, New Madrid, Carroll, Burney, Bloomfield, Orrin, Lilburn, Minor, Benton, Big Oak Tree State Park, Hunter Dawson State Historic Site, Tolosachi State Historic Site, Malden, Clarkin, and Gideon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 55 between mile markers 33 and 89. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Butler, Mississippi, New Madrid, Scott and Stoddard, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander and Pulaski, and Fulton, Kentucky.